Okay, so finishing up the reboot of the Nano Snippet. It's a full house this time, of course. The installation is fairly neat. Kind of channeled Thomas's way of from Armsor, running the wires in parallel across the servos. It just looks kind of tidy that way, I guess is the best word. But so the programming is just about done. Launch mode with a little bit of camber and a little bit of up elevator, of course.
Cruise mode.
Speed mode is just a little bit of reflex, or basically flat. This is a flat bottom airfoil, so basically just straight. Cruise is a couple of millimeters of camber. Since it's a flat bottom airfoil, I figured it needed a little bit of camber just for general flying. And thermal, probably about 2 more millimeters of camber. So I don't know. As small as this guy is and as small as the wing area is, the wing loading might be a little high, but we'll see what happens. And it's probably going to be, once I make the nose cone and the foam bumper for the front, it'll probably be right around 75 grams all up weight, which is pretty lightweight.
Cruise mode. Speed mode.
Of course, I've got flap to elevator mixing as well. Getting about 70 degrees of brakes, but as little as this thing is, I don't think it's going to need really any landing mode. I mean, it weighs almost nothing, but why not program it? There's a 5-point curve on the elevator to flat mixing that, of course, is pretty standard for most DLGs. It's more pronounced the further the flaps go down, of course, which is necessary, meaning a little bit of landing flat just needs a little bit of elevator compensation, but as you go, the curve increases. So
Cruise mode. Speed mode. Cruise mode. Thermal mode.
yeah, still got rudder control, of course, this time. Flap control. Some flap control even with the landing flaps down. Just it's set up about how any DLG should be. I've still got to balance it and make a nose cone, like I said. I need about 5 grams up front, which a foam nose bumper and a heat shrink cone like I've made in the past for the other Nano should be right about that. So we'll be close with no lid in the front, I think. It's about 69 grams as it sits right now, and it'll be about 74 or 75 when I get it ready to fly. So anyway, that's where we are so far. Pretty close to the end. I'll try to fly it soon this weekend, hopefully.